Don't forget to watch the deleted scenes at the end of the video. For the next kitchen adventures of Minnie the Little Chef, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel.
Hello friends! Today, we're going to meet a little chef named Minnie, who's amazing at cooking. Minnie has a special mission, to make our bodies healthier with delicious food. Let's see what their secret is.
Hi, I'm Minnie the Little Chef. I love cooking food that's healthy and nutritious. Did you know our body is like a machine that needs the best fuel? That fuel comes from the food we eat every day. Today, I'm going to make a rainbow salad. Why is it called a rainbow? Because it has so many healthy colors in it. Look at this. I have orange carrots full of vitamin A for our eyes. There's also green spinach packed with iron to make us strong. Then, red tomatoes that are great for our skin, and yellow corn to give us energy. Don't forget, I also have green cucumbers that are super refreshing. Wow, all these colors make me excited to cook. First, I'll wash all these veggies thoroughly. Washing your ingredients is important to get rid of any dirt or germs. Next, I'll cut the carrots, tomatoes, and cucumbers into small pieces. Be careful when using a knife. If you're still little, ask an adult to help you. Now, it's time to mix everything. I'll put all the veggies into a big bowl. Then, add the corn and spinach. Wow, look at that! It really does look like a rainbow. This salad isn't complete without a special dressing. I'm going to make a healthy dressing from plain yogurt, honey, and a little bit of lemon juice. Yogurt gives us calcium for strong bones, honey adds natural sweetness, and lemon makes it taste fresh. I mix all these ingredients together. Oh, it smells so good! Our rainbow salad is ready. Eating healthy food is important so we have lots of energy to play and learn. Remember, friends, our bodies love natural, colorful foods like fruits and veggies. Try making this salad at home, and don't forget, eating vegetables is fun and delicious. See you again in the next healthy recipe. Happy cooking, friends!
Goodbye!
This salad is the Fufri Mukbuna and Blebit Ba Stop Cut Bya. Hi, I'm Minnie the Little Chef. I love cooking food that's healthy and nutritious. Did you know our body is like a machine that needs the best fuel?